As an extension agent, I really felt like I was providing information to help people have better lives, and I truly believe that extension can do that. I think extension is the most unique learning opportunity that we offer to people in their own communities. Extension agents live with the people that they serve. You know, we're local folks, so we have a real stake in local issues. We can celebrate local successes. So your extension agents are there. They live in your community. They understand what some of the issues are. But more than that, that extension agent in your community is connected to the resources of their land-grant university here in Kansas. That's Kansas State University. And by virtue of that, they're also connected to all of those partners at state and national level to help bring facts, research-based facts, to play on whatever the local issues are that we're talking about.
Just learning new skills that I can have for the rest of my life and knowing how to cook food well.
4-Hers tell me that they just learned a new skill, that they've learned from a club leader or another 4-Her about how to bake or cook. I love that. That is something that 4-H teaches, just the fundamentals of cooking and baking that truly lasts a lifetime.
I love the art of cooking and baking. And I think that if we can teach people that process, they can feed themselves for a lifetime. They can figure out how to do it in a way that's nutritious and healthy and economical, and they're in control of their food. So I think it's really important that people know how to cook for themselves. And there's a whole lot more that happens around that family table than the nutrients we're consuming on our plates. So family meals are just vital to the growth and the solidarity of that family.
It's a lasting legacy. It's a commitment to community. And extension agents, we get to dive in and walk alongside people as they improve their quality of life.